And the biggest issue that I was facing was basically in CSAT. Trust in yourself, what you have learned throughout the time. I was not that 90 plus student, but don't connect it with the fame and the so-called wealth that you get at the time.
Hello, ma'am. What's your name and your rank? Can you mention it?
Okay, my name is Harshita Sharma. I have secured All India rank 214. This was my third attempt. In my initial two attempts, I did not secure the rank. I actually failed in my prelims itself. And the biggest issue that I was facing was basically in CSAT. I belong to Rajpura, Punjab. I did my graduation from Delhi University, Maitrey College, and post graduation from Hindu College, again from Delhi University.
And then there are so many students who are watching you. So just after 15 days, there is a prelims. Okay, and after we have to prepare for just mains exams. So subject like this is GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4. So how you prepare for it?
For everyone who are appearing for prelims this time, I would say that you have already prepared now, and you just have to focus more on revision now, because we have very less time left. And whatever you have read, all the books you have been preparing from past 2 years or 1 year, just revise all the concepts again and again. It is more about trust in yourself, what you have learned throughout the time, and do not doubt on yourself ki, you have to shift to another resources. Just be focused, revise the things multiple times. That should be a strategy, and be calm.
Ma'am, what's your 10th and 12th percentage if you remember?
Okay, so I was an average student. So in my 10th, I basically got, I think, 87% somewhere. I think, I'm not sure about exact percentage. In my 12th, I got 86%. So I was not that 90 plus student. People are basically achieving 90%
Yeah.
plus these days. So I would say that it does not depend upon the percentages and other things. It depends more upon your own personal belief and grit, that if you want to serve the nation, then you can be part of it. And it requires perseverance and determination from your side completely.
Okay. And ma'am, those students who are watching you, like, what the message would you like to give them?
I would say that civil services is something that allows you to serve the society in the positive way. Okay. But don't connect it with the fame and the so called wealth that you get at the time after you get selected, firstly. So don't go after this aim just because of the fame that you are getting. Go because this is something that is very precious to our nation. This is basically the bedrock of the governance of our country. And if you want to serve, then go for it. Thirdly, this is just an exam. Treat it like an exam.
Okay.
Do not get depressed or connect your complete life with this exam. Life is more about opportunities. You will get many opportunities in your life. Just trust on yourself, trust on your capabilities.
Okay. And ma'am, as you're part of a Jamia RCA, so how can someone prepare for it, Jamia RCA basically?
I think somebody who is preparing for civil services properly, they would be able to easily enter Jamia RCA, because the pattern is very, very similar to prelims. Secondly, whenever you are reading so much, you will be able to do good in your essay also. So yes, do not prepare in silos for the RCA differently or UPSC on the another way. Prepare it in integrated manner. So whenever you're reading the concepts, you would be learning the things properly. So you would be able to secure a good position in any exam you would be appearing. For that matter, it is UPSC, RCA, any exam you would be appearing. If your concepts are clear, you would be able to pass it.
Yes. आपकी सक्सेस का क्रेडिट किसको देना चाहेंगे? लाइक इतने सारे लोग थे आपके साथ.
Okay, so my preparation was long. Years of 5 years duration was there for my preparation. So it was my third attempt. In the initial attempt, I could not get marks, and I could not secure the position in the list. So I think this is very depressing, because you do not have the idea that what will happen in upcoming attempts also. So it was my father, firstly. He was there when nobody else believed in me. They were actually there, my father and my mother. They believed in me. They supported me, and they would say often to me that just give your 100%, rest leave it on the God. Whatever it is in your destiny, you will get. So yes, I used to believe positively in during this time, and yes, I was able to.
Okay.